Most small business owners are losing between $2,000 and $8,000 every month to 7 invisible revenue leaks. Not because they're bad at business, because these leaks are built into how most businesses operate, and nobody taught you to look for them. Here are all 7. Leak 1. Pricing too low out of fear. You're worried about losing clients if you raise prices, so you charge less than your work is worth. Increase by 15 to 20%. Most clients won't leave. Your income jumps immediately. Leak 2. Ignoring existing customers to chase new ones. Acquiring a new customer costs 5 to 7 times more than keeping one. Meanwhile, your existing customers get no follow-up, no offers, no reason to come back. Leak 3. No follow-up after proposals go unanswered. 80% of sales require 5 or more follow-ups. Most businesses give up after 1. That silence means money left on the table. Leak 4. Scope creep without enforcement. You do extra work, you don't charge for it. The client expects it. You built a business that pays you less for more. Leak 5. No upsell or cross-sell. Every customer interaction is a missed opportunity if you never offer the next logical product. One upsell question adds 30% to average transaction value. Leak 6. Losing customers to churn with no win-back system. A simple automated win-back sequence can recover 15 to 25% of lost customers. Leak 7. Low-value tasks that should be automated. Every hour on scheduling, invoicing, or follow-ups is an hour you're not generating revenue. This is the leak that compounds daily. I wrote a $9 guide covering each one with specific fixes you can implement this week. Instant download. Link is in the description.